Hello everybody, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we're back again with another video. I'm glad you could join us. Welcome to all our new subscribers, and to those of you who've been faithful subscribers, thank you so much for joining me again. Just like to remind everyone, be sure you check the notification bell. Make certain that you're still subscribed. We've had some people say they haven't been receiving notification. We just want to make sure you're informed. So go back, if you would please, and just check that notification bell. Make certain that you're still subscribed and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell just to be sure. As you know, we've been doing a little mini series and it's on the Dutch pour. We started off with 3 colors, how you can make an amazing, simplistic, but elegant Dutch pour with just 3 colors. And we used a white base for that. The second one was with 4 colors. We used a black base, and today we're back with the Blickrylic titanium white. We're going to be using that as the base today for our 5 colors. That's right, we have 5 colors, and 5 colors includes the base. So we're going to get started with just blowing this out and showing you how you can make a very nice Dutch pour with very minimal amount of colors, okay? Okay, and this again is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and we want to make certain that we have a nice flawless foundation to begin with, checking all sides and the corners to be sure we have full coverage all over with our base color. Always looking for any low areas, any foreign debris, anything that would cause for less than flawless foundation. So just be sure you're doing that. Alrighty, we are ready to start with air bubbles being popped with the torch. Okay, and we've got our foundational color down, and what I've done is taken that same foundational color and put it in a squeeze bottle so that we can use it in our design as one of the layering colors as well. So here we go, guys. We are going to do some amazing something right about now. All right, we are taking the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Deep Red hue along with the Liquitex Basics Lime Green. We also have our Titanium White by Blickrylic. We have the Amsterdam Vermilion, and we also have the Artist Loft Turquoise. And they're brilliant, brilliant colors. So we want to just begin with making certain we can get them on the canvas in a way that really gives them their best portrayal. So I'm going to start with the Cadmium Deep Red hue. Okay, all right, that's what we're looking like. We have our green on top of that. This is that lime green by Liquitex Basics. Let's get it open all the way. All right, it's a bit, maybe a little something in there. All right, we're going to take care of that. We're going to put some titanium white in here as well. Here's our vermilion. And then we have turquoise. Interesting color palette. Not colors that I would have put together by any means, especially for wearing in a dress. But they are pretty. And we're going to see how pretty they really are when they blend together. All right, just trying to decide if we want to wrap back around with anything. And I don't think so. I think we're good. Okay guys, here we go. Let's make something happen. Take it on. Did we ever make something happen? Holy smokes, this is so pretty. I'm going to tap out my little strings here just to kind of get them out of the mix-up of the design. Don't want that messing with it. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Surprise, surprise is what I've gotten here. Majorly surprised. Wasn't really sure how this might come out, but I wanted to do something on a brighter end. I love the dark, deep colors. Very used to using those, but to put together these vibrant reds and orange type colors, not normal for me. However, simply gorgeous, as you can see. I am liking this a lot. Wow. Love, love, love the beauty of this color combination. It's just so vibrant and pretty. Turquoise and vermilion and lime. Who would have thought? Yeah. Well, I'm excited. I am excited because we have got some amazing colors here. I'm going to put you on close-up time, so come on in. And here we are, everyone. We have close-up time. Want you to see what these gorgeous colors have done to create a beautiful Dutch pour using 5 colors to include the base. It is the Blickrylic titanium white, and we have that cadmium deep red hue, vermilion type of orange turquoise, and the lime green, all making for this amazing color combination. Look how pretty these are. Just gorgeous. I'm so loving this. This just goes to show you can definitely make a beautiful Dutch pour using very few colors you will see that this looks like there's a ton of colors in here, but it's really just a base color and 4 other colors that have made this truly an outstanding piece. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And remember, this is the part 3 of our mini series on making a Dutch pour using minimal colors. And I am so pleased that we were able to do this. Hope you like it. Hope you've enjoyed this little mini series using 3, 4, and 5 colors. And know that we will be coming back with additional videos all the time using a mixture of colors. And if you're just starting out, certainly this is an opportunity for you to get started with using very few colors, but coming up with something super amazing. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be notified on each and every time we have a different video upload, which is every week. So stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, keep loving your art, stay safe, and we'll see you all on the next video upload. Thank you for joining me. Bye now. Okay, everyone, here's just a few samples of some dried results. This is our mini series we did on the minimal colors in a Dutch pour. This first one was the one we did with the 3 colors, which means we had a base color and 2 additional colors for layering colors, and you can see it dried very nicely. Everything's nice and smooth, and that graphite iridescent really showed up nicely, giving this a nice complete finish. With a coat of resin, it's going to look absolutely amazing. The second one is the 4 colors, where we have a black base with 3 additional colors, giving a total of 4 colors. And again, you can see how nicely this particular design came out with the 4 colors using a black base. And once again, this will look beautiful with a coat of resin. Right now, none of these have a finished coat on them, and they will once we have a chance to do that. And this last one was the 5 colors, where we had a white base again, and we added 4 colors to the layering colors, and it looks like there's a plethora of color here because these colors blend so nicely together, creating additional colors. It gives you an opportunity to see that you can indeed do a beautiful Dutch pour with minimal colors. Once again, this dried beautifully, and it will receive an amazing coat of resin to help it look just absolutely beautiful in its final finish. I hope you enjoyed this little mini series. I hope it's been helpful to you. I just wanted to show you some dry results of the mini series, and hope that you can see that it doesn't take an awful lot to do a Dutch pour and use very minimal colors. Again, this is Anita White with Love Your Art. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for being a part of this mini series. Look forward to hearing from you, so give us your feedback and let us know what you think in our comment section below. Until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day, stay safe, and we will see you all on our next video upload. Bye now.